Got an LBR file for an electronic component and need to use it in your circuit design? This library format provides reusable parts in EAGLE PCB software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with EAGLE PCB libraries. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the LBR format and dozens of others obsolete. A library file used by Autodesk EAGLE, a popular electronic design automation, EDA software, for creating printed circuit board PCB layouts. Users interact with LBR files to access, manage, and share collections of electronic components, such as symbols and footprints, for use in their schematic designs. The LBR file is an XML-based data file. This text-based structure was chosen for its portability, readability, and ease of parsing. It allows for structured storage of complex component data, including schematic symbols, package footprints, and device mappings, making the libraries both human-readable and machine-manageable. For comprehensive file management, LBR relies on Autodesk EAGLE, developed by Autodesk EAGLE. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows offers minimal interpretation of these files, so accessing their true meaning requires dedicated software. Go to your file and right-click the LBR file, choosing Open With. If Autodesk EAGLE is an option, select it immediately. If it's unavailable, choose another. We need to test the file against all compatible programs. If the LBR file won't budge, stay calm. When the file is still closed, you're facing one of three standard issues. Let's run through this easy-to-read list of causes and checks. First, adding to EAGLE projects. Open Autodesk EAGLE and access the library manager through the control panel. Add LBR files to the libraries list, making components available for placement in schematic and PCB designs. Use the component browser to locate and place specific parts from imported libraries. Next, editing library components. Open LBR files directly in EAGLE Library Editor for modification of existing components or creation of new ones. Modify symbols, footprints, attributes, or 3D models, then save changes back to LBR format. Maintain personal libraries with frequently used custom components for design efficiency. Finally, migrating to KiCad or Fusion. Convert EAGLE LBR libraries to KiCad symbol and footprint libraries using KiCad's built-in EAGLE import or third-party converters. With Autodesk transitioning EAGLE features to Fusion 360 electronics, consider migration paths preserving component libraries across the EDA software transitions affecting the EAGLE community. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.